Invest NI's Going Dutch program helps businesses to begin their export journey through a number of workshops, a tailored market report, and a market visit. It hopes to pair companies with a partner that they can do business with. Samuel Lamont & Sons is a quality home and kitchen textile manufacturer and wholesaler. We were established in 1835. We generally manufacture kitchen items, so cotton aprons, tea towels, tea cozies, oven gloves. We also manufacture some Irish souvenir items for the tourist market and some homeware items as well. Initially, I didn't know much about the Dutch market, but after attending the first workshop, I knew that it was a market that we wanted to explore and it would be a good fit for our products. The thing we found most beneficial for the company was the tailored market report. This really gave us a good insight into the background of the Dutch market. It even allowed us to tailor our product range towards the Dutch market, and most importantly, the potential partners that we might meet in the Dutch market. It meant that we weren't just pitching into the dark. We were going to see clients that had previous knowledge of our company and were willing to sit down and chat to us. I would absolutely recommend the Going Dutch program to other early stage exporters. It makes a very easy first step into learning how to export to other markets. The Dutch market in particular is well suited as a first step. There's no language barrier, the flights are short, has great transport links for logistics. I think that the Going Dutch program gives you the tools necessary to explore other markets after the Going Dutch program. My company itself has had great success with the program. Within 6 months, we've gone from having no presence in the market to finding a distribution partner and our products being in stores throughout the Netherlands and Belgium.